Right now at 4:30, the Philadelphia Police Department has a new policy it hopes will make gun arrests stick. District Attorney Larry Krasner has said the department has issues with bringing his office gun cases with strong enough evidence to prosecute. Some of those cases became part of a police internal audit that the NBC10 investigators first told you about late last year.
Investigative reporter Claudia Vargas has been tracking the impact of that audit. She joins us live from the newsroom with an update. Claudia?
Right, Tracy. Well, police say that an audit found some officers were making gun arrests, but their reports didn't match what was seen on their body-worn camera video of the incident. Now, the department's having an extra set of eyes look at the reports and video before it gets to the DA's office.
Following an internal affairs investigation last year into 325 gun arrests, Philly PD placed 13 patrol officers on desk duty. One of those officers, Dan Levitt, was charged in March with perjury, unsworn falsification, and official oppression. The affidavit says that during a vehicle stop, Levitt reached into the back seat. Levitt's body-worn camera was blocked by the driver's seat, but the audio captured the sound of a zipper being opened. He then pulled out a 9mm handgun. According to the court filing, Levitt told other officers the backpack was open with an extended magazine sticking out.
The job of the police department is to get guns in compliance with the United States Constitution, the Pennsylvania Constitution, the law, and to do so in a way so that evidence is admissible and the case is strong enough that we can achieve a conviction.
But it was the DA's case against Levitt that wasn't strong enough for a municipal court judge. At a June hearing, the judge dismissed the charges against Levitt, citing a lack of evidence. A spokesperson for Krasner declined our request for an interview. The office has since refiled charges against Levitt.
And I think the new policy helps.
In a phone interview, Deputy Commissioner Robin Wimberly, who oversees internal affairs, says she stands by the department's investigation and the DA's decision to charge Levitt.
We found that there was sufficient evidence for him to be charged.
The department fired the officer after he was charged. When we contacted him, he referred us to his attorney and the FOP. FOP President John McNesby called the charges ludicrous.
There was no perjury, not 1 ounce of perjury.
McNesby says he saw the body-worn camera video.
It shows him doing his job, taking a gun off the street with an extended magazine of 30 rounds.
But Wimberly disagrees.
There's only one reason for a zipper to be opened, and because it was closed.
If the gun was not visible to police, the officer was not legally justified to search the bag. Wimberly says the other officers are back on the streets. Discipline, however, is pending.
Some may go from a reprimand to 5 days suspension.
And we found that at least one of those officers has since left Philly PD and is now working in a suburban police department. As for the changes, as a result of the initial audit, the department now requires supervisors to review the body-worn camera of an officer making a gun arrest before the case is approved for criminal charges. For the investigators, Claudia Vargas, NBC10 News.